Vlogger. We got Chris to do that job and say, yeah, but just to do something or say something or, for content on my channel, we are heading to YouTube Space, and yeah, I'm really excited to go there. So, oh, I'm washed out. Overexposed. Bye. Thank you. We are approaching YouTube Space. Oh my god, I want to work here. Please hire me. Hire me. I want to work here. Ta-da!
We are here, YouTube Space.
YouTube.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Everybody's going crazy. Look. We are in space. Officially, we have landed. YouTube Space, and we got the Purikura photo booth.
Don't understand. Ruby, we need Ruby.
Just be warned, it photoshops you.
Oh!
Alright, so you will look a little different.
Like, okay. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Alright. Let's juicy points. Oh, sorry. I was in your video.
It's okay.
What? Is it on? Oh, shooting!
Oh, they're gonna send it to our email addresses?
Like a soft copy.
Oh. Okay, so I can try the other one?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
But they will also print it out, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, wait. How do I backspace? Ruby? Backspace? This one. Yeah, that one. Okay. No, that another one.
Purikura! So cute. We are here in their office kitchen, Google Kitchen, Mobile Kitchen, and look at their amenities. Everything is so gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm taking a video of you! Look at this place! I want to work in this place. It's amazing. This place is amazing. It's amazing. You have like private
Southeast Asia, so I placed in Singapore.
place there. It's so nice, right? So nice. Oh my god. Beautiful stereos. Super Princess Joe in the house. And say, lounging like it's her own kitchen.
Yeah, welcome to the kitchen. Hi, today we're gonna
May, June, and Crystal. We are making, having fruit granola. What? I just discovered how to use this camera, and I'm here with Jiwon. Hi! Jiwon! Hi, Philippines! Jingu, jingu! Hi, jingu! And with the rest of the girls. Hi, I'm here with the girls.
Is it like a Snapchat?
Yeah, I don't know. I finally discovered how to use this Sony
Kawaii
KWII or KW11, and it actually works as a video, or like takes videos too. It's amazing. And I don't have my phone, but I'm gonna use this for vlogging tonight. It's amazing. Yeah, Sony, thank you very much. Okay, another feature that we discovered is that you can do this with the Sony camera. Hello. Hello to the host.
Hello to that guy.
Yeah, it's a perfect vlogging camera. I'm gonna test this out the whole night. I hope the battery is long lasting though.
Applause for everyone. We are absolutely thrilled and honored to have a group of such talented individuals and beauty experts here in Tokyo. Hope you guys are excited as much as we are.
Yes.
Really want to thank you and congratulate you for, being the chosen 22 out of so many contestants across the 11 cities to make it out here.
Thank you, Michelle. Hi, everyone. Oh my gosh, you guys look so sparkling and pretty. Magical unicorns. All right, thank you so much for coming here today, Michelle. It's amazing that we get to speak to you here.
I'm glad to be here. It's Tokyo. Out of all the places in the world, like, who are we to complain, right?
Right. Okay, so we're going to kick off this little panel session with the Q&A with a lot of questions that you guys sent in as well. So first question is actually from Beautybound Asia /me. So what were your overall thoughts on the finalist videos that you have watched?
Oh my gosh, it was just like an emotional roller coaster. You experience so many different types of perspectives and personalities, and most importantly, just different stories. But I just love the level of creativity that all of you guys brought to the table, and the beautiful production and thoughtfulness that everyone placed in all these videos, because no one really gives people like us credit. It takes so much work to make these videos because you're producing it yourself, you're editing it, you're starring in it. You're basically a one-man, one-woman studio. So, props to you guys for doing it and for making great content. And the best part is that you own all this. It's yours. And I hope you guys are still inspired to continue to do it, because I know this contest was grueling and very hard. But imagine this, like, if you made it and you made it this far by completing all these challenges and doing it well, imagine now that this contest is coming to an end, what you can do on your own with your channel, with everything that you've learned so far. So I'm excited for you guys.
Definitely. It's a wonderful start at everything. Great, so next question comes from Rina from Osaka. She wants to ask, what was your life like when you first started making videos, and how has it changed today?
When I first started making videos, it was back in 2007 when the beauty guru scene was relatively new. There was probably less than 10 people I can count, just my hand itself, that was consistently uploading beauty videos. And because of that, a lot of beauty brands didn't know what being a beauty guru was. So it was really hard for people like us to get products, because like any artist, if you want to create a masterpiece, you need tools, you need paints, you need colors. And I was a college student at that time, and it was really hard for me to find brands that can give to me products so I can use and promote them. So I ended up buying a lot of used cosmetics in retail stores, in drugstores where they have a bin where it's used makeup, and it was like 99 cents. And I figured it wasn't that bad, because if you buy like an eyeliner, you can just sharpen it and it's basically brand new again. But it was ghetto moments I had. But today, it's so advanced and it's evolved so much, and brands now know how influential you guys are, how we are, and they're more than happy to send products if you guys talk about it and you love it. So I feel like that's what really changed, is the perspective from the brands and how they see how instrumental it is to work with influencers like yourself, so that they can get their brand out there, because they need people like you. But other than that, I mean, I think everything is still kind of the same. Like, I still conceptualize my videos. I'm still in them. I still film it, and I'm very involved with the editing. But other than that, I think that's it. I would say that's the only difference. Now everyone knows what it's like to be a beauty guru, and you can have a real substantial career. It wasn't like 7 years ago when no one really knew what it was, and it was truly like a wild, wild west.
And people really cherish your own opinions too, right?
Exactly. And the reason why is because it's real, it's authentic. It's not like a commercial. And most importantly, it's built on something that most people would rather watch, which is the form of storytelling, and also built on personality, which is something that no one can really fake. So that's why it's so important for you guys to continue just being yourself whenever you're making these videos and whenever you're building your brand. Is don't forget who you are and why you're doing it.
Definitely.
Everyone ready? The winner is, drum roll, representing Bangkok, Jane Makeup.
Get your own beautiful crystal quartz Now you're scared. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I can't breathe now. I can't even breathe. I'm speechless. Okay, Marie. I want to say thanks to like all of us, like everyone. Like I'm still shaking, Mish. It's okay. Yeah, I just want to say thank you. I'm so happy to be here, and yeah, I learned a lot. And thanks YouTube, thanks SK2, thanks to everyone. Like seriously, like this is so much. Yeah,
It's a lot to take in, right?
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Tell us what emotion are you going through right now?
I'm like tears gonna cry now. Yeah, I'm very, 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 very happy like to be here.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Oh, it's been an absolutely amazing journey, and you should all be proud of yourselves. One more round of applause.
Absolutely.
Whoa, look at the media.
You're holding on to me. I was like shaking, like relax, right? Okay. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So nice. Thank you.
Hey guys, I want to send you guys lots of love and
Congratulations.
they're here. I think you have to go for your photo. Win. It doesn't matter because you win in life, and that's all that matters.
Everybody be careful, please. Okay. Oh, right. Let's just squish you guys together. Let's face back here. I'm really sorry if I smell. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
The video.
Oh, hi. That was super awkward.
Food! We got food! Finally, real food!
Lalabas na siya. Kami kakain pa rin. We are here in DNR bar for It's our last night here in Japan. Oh no, it's my last night, but it's her second to the last?
Yeah, and
No? Oh, whatever. Anyways, yeah, let's have fun.
Maybe I'll just take this seat.
Cheers.
Dun 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 dun.
Underwhelming.
Dun, 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 dun. Wow.
That's actually pretty cool. This is all engineering, guys. Let's acknowledge